Hey guys, we're going to walk through this new tool called Nano Banana. It's Google AI Studio. We're going to show you how to make money online and how to work from home. We're going to, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly ways to make money from home. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I have not taken a paycheck and I've generated my own income for many, many years, and I've done very well for myself. So I just got done building a house, literally building it myself, almost 6,000 square foot home. And I did literally everything, me and my wife, and we got it done. It took us almost 3 years. So that's called drive, and that's what you need to build a business. So it's working from home is not for everybody, but it's tough to go to a job every single day that you don't like. So if you could do something that you enjoy, find your passion. And with AI, it's simpler than ever. And I'm going to show you that with these new tools because Nano Banana is an insane AI tool for art image generation and editing. So you can take backgrounds out, you can replace the image. So it does similar things that Photoshop does. It does things that Canva does. And so we're going to put these two head to head and show you exactly how they work. So, and how quick they are. So let's just start out with the test. And I'm not a super fast typer. I'll just be transparent with you. But let me just say this. If you smash that like button, hit subscribe, drop a comment, I'll send you a private link with a full blueprint of everything that I've got. I've got ways to make money with AI artwork and where you can sell it on Etsy and different platforms. And with Nano Banana, it's going to be a game changer. So we use ChatGPT 5 and we love it. But let me just say this. You're still going to need ChatGPT, which is free, and this is free. You get so many tokens, and it said my token count was like 32,000 to start, and I burned up 5,000 playing around with it, but then it reset to zero. So I don't know, but I'll take it, you know? So let's just say create an image of me shaking hands with, let's see, Donald Trump in front of the in front of Air Force One. So I'm doing this as we talk right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to drop an image, and I'll say use the image of the guy I uploaded blue shirt. So I usually just slam these in and let them run, and then I go live, but I wanted to show you how quick this tool is. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to do a new chat. I'm going to do the same thing over here, and we're going to see, compare the two different ones. And so we're going to upload an image. Yes, Nano Banana got a head start. Usually I go the other way around and then shift it back. So let's go back to Nano Banana. Okay, look at that. I mean, that looks pretty incredible. It's a side view. I'm a husky guy. It looks pretty legit. I don't see the stairs here, but he might be blocking it. So if you zoom in, that looks like him. And with the images, different Air Force One, but it looks pretty legit. So let's see what's going on here. I cannot help with that chat. So there's your answer on ChatGPT. So it will not even do it. So now let's do something fun for a company and just let's show you how you can make money with this. So we'll go down and we'll go with a helicopter tour company in Hawaii, and you want to create images to post on their website for them. So we did something. I did the same image, and then I just said, put this image of me in the black helicopter touring the business. I didn't give it a picture of a helicopter. I didn't give it a flight suit in front of a waterfall, and boom, it came up with that. So you could do these. These look like they're walking on water. This image here, there's too many people in the helicopter, just knowing helicopters and flown them, that you would not be able to do that. But you can see what it can do. So you could say, I am a helicopter tour company in Maui, and I need 4 images for promoting it on Instagram. So let's just see what it does, and we'll come back to it. So while that generates, I'm gonna go over it's working the model. You can see the seconds here. This thing is super, super quick. So here's the images. It's given us the prompts for it. And so and we're going to say, yes, do these prompts. So from there, let me just show you a software that we use called High Level. We have it branded, a white label brand called Sproutify. And so this is a software that automates, it collects payments. It literally does everything that you can imagine. There's AI in it. You could, if there's a one-man operation that he's out on the field and he can't answer his phone, we can create these AI agents in the software form. So this is why I love AI and why it's so awesome. But we can create sites for them, we can create funnels for them really, really quick. And the nice thing with this new Nano Banana, we can create Instagram images or promotional images for their social media because they never have time to update their social media. And I should just go pull up a couple of them because you'll see that they haven't posted for a year or 2 years, or they might have posted one time. And so they just don't have time to do this. So what if you could offer 20 posts for free right off the gate? This particular one took me just a few minutes to do. And I'll show you. So I asked Instagram to create me some HVAC posts with the 10% offer ends this month. So it created this urgency here. And so I can just plainly copy and paste this in, book before the month ends to claim this 10% off. And then I can drop this into their social media, and then they can start scheduling inspections. This is a big moneymaker for HVAC companies, and I know this because I work with them. And because prior to the winter, people need their HVAC tested for safety reasons, for one thing, because when I worked as a paramedic, there was carbon monoxide, and usually it was from a bad furnace that was not inspected. So not only do they inspect it, but they'll change out the filters and they'll become a regular customer, repeat customer. And they sell them filters, they sell them uh, annual inspections or biannual inspections and different things like that. So this becomes, it's very, very valuable. So you can charge them $300 a month for this after those 20 free posts that you create, and it will just automatically set up at a recurring payment system and just collect that payment every single month, $300 a month. And let me just say this. It only takes 10 of those to make $3,000 a month. So there's no excuse. 10 clients is so easy to get. So you can set up those payments, have those recurring. And if you have a bunch of HVAC companies and it's a similar deal, you can do similar photos and have Nano Banana create those for you. So that's what's so dang exciting about this tool. And not only that, you can upsell this software because not only can you do their marketing for them, you can do email campaigns for them, you can do review campaigns for them, and different things like that, and eventually run their ads if you want to. And let me just say, this doesn't take marketing experience. It doesn't take coding. I had no marketing experience before I started a marketing agency and an ad agency. And I've worked with some of the biggest companies in the world: Bosch Home Appliances, Bosch Tools, um, Kimberly Clark. I mean, I could go, the list goes on. I mean, these are big Fortune 500 companies, and some of those are in the top 100. But so you don't need the experience, just do it. Now, look at this. So these are the images that it created. They're pretty good. I, I actually like, it did a carousel of images here. So this is a beautiful shot. Look at the sun coming in. They got their backpacks on. I don't. This guy's might have a seatbelt on, or he's got a backpack. But it created the images. This one is really cool because it's got the pilot outside of the helicopter. The helicopter's running, and the guests are flying away in the helicopter. So this particular one up here, there's nobody in the helicopter, maybe somebody in the back seat, but it's so far away that you can't really tell. But that's an awesome image. I've been to Hawaii, so I know the landscape. It looks legit. But anyways, you can play with this, get your prompts dialed in, and make some serious money with this. So let's just close that out. And the other thing is, you could even, this thing is so creative because you could work with a tattoo designer and do tattoos, designs, like kind of like they do with glasses, where they fit the glasses on you. And so you can see what a pair of glasses look like before you buy them, like on all those different eyewear sites. But check this out. So I just told it to give me a full sleeve on my left arm, traditional island tattoo. And you can see how realistic that looks. So then I said, put me in front of a volcano and it's steaming, and in board shorts and a surfboard. So boom, and another sleeve. So it will do, and that's my Titans hat that I've got in the first photo. So it'll do some incredible things. The other thing is, you can have it create the post for you for the business that you're promoting, whether it's plumbing, electrician, roofing, commercial roofing. So this is where that image came from. I just said, create an image. I would take this promo part and put it on the other side, but it was for this particular company. And then I just did a test and it came up like that, like this particular one right here. So you see where I'm going with this, but I've got hundreds of videos on how to make money online. Again, hit that like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification. You'll get a notification every time I release a video. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I'll help you out.